We divide 775 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 7 and it is 27. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 5 and it is 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 0. So 775 divided by 5 is 155. So this much for today and thanks for watching.